Hello guys, welcome back to App. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Shopify website coding error. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering, how do you fix Shopify coding errors here? Well, facing these errors can be frustrating, especially if you're like for example new to coding and you made some errors and you don't know how to actually fix them. Well, first things first is before you start coding here, I recommend you to learn more about coding so to avoid further errors first. So I would suggest you to first read more about coding. But once you have or you're confident enough here, you can go back into your Shopify store and you want to go ahead and open up the actual online store here because we need to first investigate what's the problem. So in this case, go and click on view your online store here. Now, once your store is fully loaded up, what you need to do is you need to search for any empty space that you see here, and you want to right click on that empty space. Now, in this case, you want to go and choose the option that says inspect. Now, depending on your browser, this might be different for you, but in my case, I just need to right click and inspect. Now, from here, you want to go to the top section here. This is the UI that we're seeing at the right side here. But then again, depending on your console, the UI might change. But you want to go to console. And under console, what we need to do is we need to monitor this section. Now, you want to go ahead and go back to your website and you want to go ahead and click on the reload button here. Now, once your website or your store reloads, it's going to fill out some information that you can see here on my Shopify store. So it will show you if there are any coding errors on your Shopify store here. It will pop up in here, especially for those that isn't actually visible. So it will pop up in here what's blocking that, why this specific element or section is not appearing. It will report it in here, which is a great way for you to start investigating what is currently happening on your store. But in this case, this might take some time. Like, you need to investigate and properly know what's causing the issue. But then again, every website or every Shopify store here is different. So you might have or you might get a different error or issue on your end, and some people or other shops would also get the error. But investigation here is the first step that you could do. But once you've identified the issue itself, you just you just need to go ahead and go back to online store here, go to Teams, and from here you want to go and click on the three-dot option and click on the option that says in this case edit code. Now, from here, usually whenever you edit, like for example, I'm the team.liquid file here. Whenever you type something here and it doesn't make sense on the code in the section itself in here, it will underline itself and show you that the error, that's the error here. So in this case, let's go and click on save here. But yeah, usually it's going to indicate here what's the error, but in some cases it might not show that. So in this case, for example, I want to re-add this one. So as you can see, it's going to be red highlighted here, which in this case points that this is the section that most likely has the problem on it. But yeah, so you just basically fix this one, and as you can see, it's no longer highlighted red, which means it's pretty good. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe. See you later. Thank you for watching.